Hi, this is Jim and I was retired. I'm going to record a short little video here in between my fall chores to bring you up to date on my Roth conversion plans. Stay tuned and I'll explain how I'm changing my Roth conversion plans. Follow me. So in my last video, I looked at three scenarios, one with no Roth conversions and one with me going into the top of the 12% tax bracket, and a third scenario where we went into the top of the 22% tax bracket. Now, last week's video was a scenario close to my situation, but not exactly. But I'm in that same boat, and I elected to stay within the 12% tax bracket. But as I learned that the circumstances change, life happens. So as I was doing the tax modeling for 2024, I realized I needed to take a little bit more ordinary income, mainly because of this. I had to replace my whole front lawn after a sewer line replacement. So paying for this, as well as my current year taxes, required a little bit more ordinary income before I can even think about Roth conversions for the future. And so I looked at my options and decided to go ahead and take some ordinary income from my 401k and then follow up with a smaller, significantly smaller Roth conversion opportunity for 2024. Now, one viewer last week responded that I was missing an opportunity by not doing Roth conversions early in the year. Well, if I had done a Roth conversion early in the year and gotten all that tax-free gain this year, I wouldn't have had the opportunity to make this decision to do a smaller one in 2024. I would have been pushed into the 22% tax bracket by the need to pay for a whole new front lawn. So that's my advantage of waiting in the year. How about you? Do you do your Roth conversions early in the year, or do you wait towards the end of the year like I do? Put a note in the comments below. Now, another thing that has changed in circumstances is the Republican win in the general election. We're not likely to see a return of the 2017 tax brackets as early as we thought. The Wall Street Journal has done an article, and I've linked to it below, that you may have more opportunity for Roth conversions because of the changing tax situation. If we are going to get a tax cut extension beyond 2025, that's going to give a lot of retirees more opportunity to do Roth conversions in the years ahead. So 2025 may not be the last opportunity to lock in lower rates for Roth conversions. I may have opportunities in 2026 and 2027 and 2028. I opted to stay within the 12% tax bracket for the reasons that my model couple did. We're buying insurance for one on the ACA marketplace, and those premium tax credits phase out. And if you go too high in your gross income, you also get higher taxes here in New Jersey. So for those reasons, I've decided to stay at 12% for 2024 and likely for 2025 as well. I've already started doing some of the math. And I'm still undecided as to whether I should do a Roth conversion early in the year in 2025 or later in the year. I'll let you know after I decide. Hey, before I go, will you please like and subscribe to this channel if you like entertaining ideas from a DIY retiree? And share it with a friend. It'll help this channel become higher in the search algorithms. Thanks. And I'll conclude with my standard warning. I am not a tax planner. I'm not a financial planner. I'm just a DIY retiree. So take these as entertaining ideas from one educated consumer to another. Always do your own due diligence and seek out a professional if you need one.